Hi everyone, welcome back. Back on the Mini again. Yeah, and last time I was cutting out all of that inner seal. As you can see, I've still got some more cut out the back part of the toe board down in here. It's a bit dark down here in a minute, so you're not going to see much, but yeah. But what I do need to do is to strip that rear subframe down, just to make it a bit more manageable, because I will need that to line up the toe board to make sure everything's in the right place. But what I did just discover, which is like absolutely brilliant, because I could see the ends of them underneath, is someone's riveted a panel down there. That isn't what this sound deadening's for, is it? Someone that was just stuck over there. So yeah, we got to fix that. It doesn't look too rotten underneath, so it can't be a very big hole, but I have to drill them rivets out and then fix that piece as well. I've still got to cut out down in there as well. So yeah, not great. It's just going to make everything take longer, but hey ho. Let's start by stripping down the subframe. I'm not sure how far I'm going to get today because I've got a bit of a bad back, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, the other thing I've worked out as well on this subframe is that these brackets have been put on round the wrong way as well, because this has only got a small side, so that bracket there should be on the back here, and that bracket there should be on the front here. So quality. Right, anyway, let's pull this thing apart. Alright, I've got a little tub, and let's just start pulling bits off of this. Get the handbrake cables and that off first. Don't worry, it's got a little R clip in there, not a hooked out of there. Right, the handbrake disconnected that side. Right, you're not really going to be able to see that much. I've got to disconnect the brake hose and we can unbolt this. You should put some gloves on first, I think. Alright, I'm going to undo a couple of bits and then I'll come back and I'll take the wishbone off. Radius arm, I mean, not wishbone. Right, so I've just undone the big nut from the radius arm, and I just got to undo 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts out of there, and then that whole radius arm lift off. We'll find the right socket. Which we can't. There we go. Hopefully these don't break. I think this has been off before anyway, so. It doesn't want to go finger tight. Two. Oh, back. I could put a gun on it, but the bolts I'm not sure about. I like to do a ratchet because you can feel them better, so you know. Rather than whack a gun on it and then snap the bolts off. Right, so that should just lift out of there now. You should. Like so. It's all just to make it a bit lighter really, more than anything. I don't know if these eye-lows that go back on it or not. I don't really like them personally, but they're fine if you've got all like the lowered shocks and everything as well to go with it, but most people don't, and then it's a bit sketchy. Right, so I'll do the same on the other side. Disconnect brake, that wide piece, T-piece even. Take that mount off, because I will give it all a clean up as well before it goes back in permanently. But yeah, it's not a bad subframe though. It's in pretty good nick. Just needs a bit of a clean up, but no rust. Only a bit of surface here and there. Yeah, good. Right. Yeah, I'm not going to film all of this, but yeah, I'll get the other side off, get them bits off, and then we'll have a look at starting to cut into some of the bits on the car after we swap these mounts over. I've got new rubbers to go on it anyway, so I might as well do that now anyway. Well, I just took this off, and like, what I've never seen anything like that. That's been bodged, hasn't it? Look, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but you can see the screws down in there. Well, bodge, I guess we'll have to get a new one of them as well. Oh, brilliant. I know they're only cheap, but like, it all mounts up, doesn't it? Right, let's get the rest of this stripped. Right, so that's that all stripped down now. I'm not going to change these brackets yet. I'm going to leave them as they are, just to like get me mountings in the correct place on the car, but I will change them later. But yeah, I'm not going to do it now because I want to clean it all up nicely anyway before it goes back in. So this is a bit more manageable now. Not only light, but yeah, at least that's that strip now. So back onto the car. And you start doing a bit more cutting. Well, it is cutting anyway, but there's like 3 layers along this seal, because there's the original seal, then there's the cover seal, and then obviously the body anyway. But yeah, so I need to get all that cleaned off. So that's what I'm going to do next, because it doesn't involve me having to crawl underneath the car with a bad back. Right, so like I said, I've got a bit of a dodgy back today, so I've had enough. I've done a little bit. I've cleaned up this back part here and cut a little bit away on the inside. I found a little hole here, but that seems to be the only bit, so obviously I'm not going to be, so we can repair that. We'll just cut a piece out, weld that in there. I'm going to weld all of these holes back up, because these are all like miles too big for the arches when they go back on. So we're going to end up painting this thing, so yeah, so we'll re-drill the holes. Also found the step. I knew the very front bit had gone, but it's starting to go there. It's a bit dodgy out there, so I'm going to put a step in it. But I've just ordered a Magnum one, so I'm not sure how well that's going to go. But I just can't warrant spending out on a Heritage one. I know I've got them, but I don't have to buy them again for the other car, because the other car definitely needs complete steps. But yeah, so I'm going to put a step in it, which will get rid of all of that, and it means I won't have to try and peel away all of these layers. But we have only got one layer there now, which is the quarter panel layer, so that's all cleaned up. So yeah, I didn't get as much done today as I'd like, but we got that subframe stripped down and I got a bit cleaned up. Oh yeah, and I did cut a piece of this panel here as well for to repair the floor, so that'll be going in there. I'm still got to cut it down a bit, doesn't need to be that big. It's just this edge is dodgy, so I'll need something decent to weld the inner seal to. So I'll probably put that in first before I do the inner seal, and then so everything's all good before we get that far. And I'm going to cut that piece out down in there as well and make a nicer repair, because that's all like just plated over the top. It has had the rust cut out, but it's still just a plate just chucked in there. And also I need to have a look at that as well. But I also messed up and didn't charge all my batteries up, so for me cordless stuff, so that's messed me up a little bit as well. So not a lot today, but thanks for watching, and we'll have another go next week. Nearly Christmas.